Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can create a dashboard related to your day-to-day routine activities. And the scenario is that you have some due activities which are due as a default, and they are performed as a default as well, but they are marked as unperformed to make some overdue. Right now, this tool is going to tell you that where are you standing, how much backlog is outstanding on your part, and it can serve multiple users, and and it can keep track of your means each user pattern of entry. For example, the report for this animal is last day of every month, whereas the pattern of this user is per day, every day, right? So, and pattern. So we have to mention all these details when we create a new user, right? When we create a new user, we showed you in our previous video, the James Duke, for example, we make a James Duke, okay, it's a new user. The user ID is auto-generated, and we write, say, the starting date is 15th of August, 15th of August 2022, for example. Yeah, and it, James has the backlog right from the very beginning until the 15th of October, for example, 2024, a big backlog. Right, okay, so these are the backlog. And here we want to report on every 15th of every month. James has to visit 100 patients, for example. And anything outstanding will be a certain amount, say 10 uh, or local rate of 10 PKR. If it remained unperformed at the close of the project, right? Okay, so that has to be recovered from GMTU, right? And that amount will be just take an example. That amount, you have a thousands of rupees in that account. In that way, you have collected from different users. Now, where are these to be spent? They are to be spent to the good performers, those who have been doing well. No, I mean, those who have been regular in their duties. So that reward is going to be. So that's how it is balanced. Okay, so this is just an example. So JMDU 123 at test123.com. Okay, and this is very important field. In future, this address is it's going to be used to automate this thing. You don't have to fill all these information again and again. Okay, only you have to send through email to the database. An email address will be provided, so the system will keep on watching on that email as soon as such a command is coming from such a user. So it's going to action his request and update the dashboard report and send the report to this email address. He will get this email address. Okay, so the status of where is he standing at the point, and the title may be, since he is visiting patient. Okay, and here we say the start of the date is March 2025. So this is a breakthrough, that this way, when we are going to start the backlog clearance. So this will be the startup date. And from here onward, the system will keep on adding one day each time a new backlog clearance is requested, right? So 15th March 2025 is the start of the clearance of any backlog. Backlog is here. Okay. And mandate is 100 activities every month. Okay. So we have got this added. Now let's see. There should be the user, yeah, James Duke, and this is where it is. This is the where the James Duke is standing. Means he all 3,700 activities were due on his part. Out of it, he has only performed 2,700 activities are uh, pending on his part. So for clearing. And the system has taken the backlog startup procedure. Process date start date will be the 15th of March 2025, and date of performance of is still this, okay, because no record has yet been added. You can see all the this is freshly added amounts, right? So let's say that you has to clear 4 days backlog, and we click go. So this is going to give you that it's ready to add 4 records. This will be reflected here. Okay? You remember our startup date was 15th of August, right? So 15th of August, that was first cleared, later than 15th September, then 15 October, 15 November, 4 activities have been performed, and now it is increased, and this is now being decreased, and the due are 3,000. Okay, and if we click more, he sends another voucher, for example, that he has performed another 4 days, for example, another 4 days. Then we click here. So this time it's going to get 16th of March. They're starting. Well, it is started on 15th of March. Now the next day is the 16th of March, and the backlog clearance is started. The date will be shown here. From 15 you have started. Now it's going to be updated 4 records, and you will see that 15 December, January, February, March 2023, and 16th of March is updated. So let's see these two marking of clearance of the backlog. How do they appear in the database? If you go to the master and you have James Duke, you have to refresh them. So this is how it is showing. These are the 2 days. These are the 2 days which are shown in the master. Out of 37, these 8 days have been marked as here that they were cleared from the backlog, right? And it will work only where the perform is not ticked, means as you know, right? In case of yes, of course, it is not going to put any date in here. And if you want to see in terms of the dates, so we have this uh, view which has been created. It shows you on 15th of March you started, and the next one, these 4 were marked as performed, and these 4 were marked as performed as of 16th of March. And the more you go on, so it will keep on first come first serve basis, right? So if we add another, so it is 17th of March, it's going to add 74 more things. Okay, April, May, June, July, right? So, and you would see that in the database, you have a third one appearing in here, 17th of March. Okay, so this is how we have updated. The system is available on the OneDrive. The link is there in the description. You can see the database as well. Download it and see the code by downloading this file, right? This file is also available for you, and you can try it. And there are going to be more value addition, more enhancement in future until we reach to the stage which we are planning that it should be done all or no need of any form, only as email coming for mentioning the this thing that he has and the user, right? And it will start doing the process, and it will generate the report and send it back to the requesting user through the email, updating him that are you standing at the moment. Okay, thank you very much for watching.